Have you ever wondered how cooking transformed our ancestors and made humans more intelligent? Today, we'll explore this fascinating topic and delve into the evolutionary impact of cooking on our brains. Welcome to our video that explore the connection between cooking and human intelligence. The discovery of fire was a significant turning point in human history. It not only provided warmth and protection but also paved the way for cooking. Cooking fundamentally changed the way our ancestors obtained and processed food. Before cooking, early humans relied on raw, unprocessed foods, which required extensive chewing and digestion. Raw foods are harder to digest, and they often contain certain toxins and pathogens that can be harmful to us. When humans started cooking their food, something remarkable happened. Cooking not only made food safer to eat by killing bacteria and parasites but also made it easier to digest. Cooking breaks down complex molecules, making the nutrients more readily available for absorption in our bodies. This increased nutrient availability had a profound impact on our evolution. With more easily digestible food, our ancestors could extract more energy from their meals. This surplus energy had a significant influence on the development of our brains. The human brain is an energy-intensive organ, accounting for a significant portion of our metabolic activity. With the extra energy gained from cooked food, our brains had the resources needed to grow and evolve. Studies have shown that a cooked diet allowed our ancestors to divert energy from digestion to fueling brain development. This energy shift is believed to have played a crucial role in the expansion of our brain size. As our brains grew larger, so did our cognitive abilities. Cooking provided the fuel our brains needed to develop complex cognitive skills like problem-solving, communication, and innovation. Over time, cooking became more sophisticated, leading to the development of various cooking techniques and culinary traditions across different cultures. Cooking also fostered social interactions within communities. Gathering around a fire and sharing meals created opportunities for communication, cooperation, and the sharing of knowledge. These social connections, coupled with the nutritional benefits of cooking, further contributed to our cognitive development. So, in essence, cooking has been a driving force behind the evolution of human intelligence. It allowed us to extract more energy from our food, fueling the growth of our brains and providing the foundation for our cognitive abilities. Next time you enjoy a cooked meal, remember the transformative power it holds, not only in satisfying our hunger but also in shaping our remarkable human intellect. Thank you for watching our video on how cooking made humans more intelligent. If you found this content intriguing, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And as always, stay curious.